Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shambhu Sharan Gupta, faculty of BA GMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver lecture topic on role and functions of International Sports Organization FIFA. So, first we will know what is FIFA. FIFA is an international sports governing body. This FIFA is an association founded in 1904 that headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland. The Federation International de Football Association FIFA is the regulating body for all matters concerning football around the world. It has 209 countries are affiliated North America, Central and South America, Europe, Asia, Middle East and Africa. Really, FIFA stands for Fédération Internationale de Football Association in French language. In English, FIFA is the International Federation of Association Football. In 1904, FIFA was founded to oversee international competition among the national association of Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, Sweden and Switzerland. The FIFA Council is FIFA's strategies and oversight body under the new FIFA status. Members of the Council are elected by member association at the Confederation Congresses. FIFA's president chair the Council. The Congress and Council are known as FIFA political bodies. Several committees exist that are independent of them, including FIFA's judicial bodies, which are discussed briefly below. A Zurich-based administration of approximately 400 staff headed by the Secretary General, who is now designated as FIFA's Chief Executive Officer. He is appointed by the Council and his responsibility include day-to-day management and implementation function. FIFA do and unify the laws of the game and coordinating matches between the nation teams. FIFA's role organization and promotion of football major international tournament. Notably, the World Cup, which began in 1930, and the Women's World Cup, which began in 1991. Although FIFA does not solely set the rules of football, that being the responsibility of the International Football Association board, of which FIFA is a member, it applies and enforces the rules across all FIFA competition. It rules world football and is in charge of organizing and promoting big football tournaments around the globe. The biggest and most famous being the World Cup. FIFA's management rules are do the planning, organizing, stopping, directing and controlling of men and women World Cup. Their role are protect and develop the game, promoting football globally, defending and developing the laws of the game and organizing international championships. So, I hope you understand on the topic role and functions of International Sports Organization FIFA. Thank you very much.